Welcome to the ultimate destination for luxury, power, and cutting-edge innovation. This is your exclusive gateway into the world of the all-new 2025 Lexus LX 700h. If you crave bold design, groundbreaking hybrid performance, and an interior that redefines comfort, you're in the right place. This channel is where we dive deep into everything that makes the Lexus LX 700h not just a vehicle, but a statement. In every episode, we'll explore the unique craftsmanship, advanced technology, and real-world performance of the LX 700h. We're not just talking specs, we're showing you what it feels like to be behind the wheel. From city streets to rugged trails, from day-to-day commutes to weekend escapes, we're putting this flagship SUV to the test. If you're wondering how the hybrid powertrain handles under pressure, or what kind of mileage you can expect without compromising luxury, stay tuned, we've got you covered. This channel is built for enthusiasts, adventurers, and luxury lovers alike. Whether you're already a Lexus fan or just curious about what makes the LX 700h such a game-changer, you'll find honest reviews, practical tips, comparisons, and exclusive insights right here. We're talking everything from hands-on features like the upgraded Lexus interface system, to walkarounds showing off that bold spindle grille and premium details you won't find anywhere else. You'll get to experience the cabin's next-level refinement, the whisper quiet ride, and the fusion of power and sustainability that only a hybrid like this can deliver. And we're not stopping at the surface. We'll break down the tech, show you the best configurations, and even help you decide if the 2025 Lexus LX 700h is the perfect fit for your lifestyle. So if you're ready to experience what happens when Japanese precision meets modern luxury and intelligent design, make sure you subscribe. We're just getting started, and the road ahead is packed with style, strength, and surprises. Every week brings fresh content, exciting updates, and a closer look at the vehicle that's turning heads and setting new standards. Welcome to your new favorite spot for all things Lexus LX 700h. Let's hit the road and explore what this masterpiece is all about.